So yeah, I'm using the same strategy that I usually use on IQ option, but here I'm using it on QUOTEX, right? On QUOTEX, I'm trading on QUOTEX. Guys, if you are new to QUOTEX, you can trade here. You can click on this icon and trade on demo account. You can trade on demo account. You can invest smaller amount. Don't invest big amounts if this is your first time trading. In this case, I'm investing $400. If my prediction is right, I'm making 82%. I'm trading with Euro USD, and yeah, if my prediction is right, I'm taking with me $728. That's $328 profit, right? I'm opening, in this case, a short position here. This is a down position. This is a short position, meaning a down position. That the market is going down, using the same strategy. So if you are interested, guys, in learning my strategy, I invite you to go to the description below. There is a course. Yeah, the first one. In the course, I will try to teach you everything I've been learning in years. Everything I learned in years, you can find on the course in the description below. So yeah, just go there, try to learn the strategy that I usually use. All right, here, as you can see, yeah, so this trading strategy is like something basic, but in the same time there is an advanced level in the last chapter. So those who have access to the course, please go visit the last chapter. In this case, I'm using the advanced level, right? This one is the advanced level, but if you are, if in this case, the basic level is enough to predict these two candles, right? You can double your money here and then here, and then here, right? But in this case, as you can see, I can predict the colors and the movement of the market for the next for the next 4 or 7, up to 7 candles. So yeah, I invite you to go. Great. So this is a short position, right? This means that I'm having a red candle, but yeah, if my prediction is right, I'm taking with me $910, right? $10. I'm investing $500. That's 82%. I'm trading Euro USD on QUOTEX, and yeah, this is my account. I also trade I also trade on IQ option. I trade also on binary option. I trade also on pocket option. Yeah, I have many accounts, so you can trade with this strategy on any platform that allows binary option trading. So I invite you to try a good strategy, or try a good platform. Yeah, another win. Look for a good platform before starting to trade, right? That's what you do before starting to trade. All right, let's open another trade. Yeah, up, long position, as crypto traders like to call it. Long position. Here I predict that the next candle is going to be a green candle, right? Yeah, this one is going to be a green candle here. So we had a red candle. We are expecting a green candle. If my prediction is right, of course, if my prediction is right and the market really creates a green candle, meaning the market went up, that's I will make $910. So meaning the profit will be $410, right? So yeah, that's 82%. Yep, as predicted. And guys, I still have more positions to open. More positions to open. So I still have more. Let's go up this time. Yeah, let's go up. Here the market is creating. So let me just explain to you. Here, perhaps we will see a red candle, but even with a red candle, I'm going to make a win. I'm going to make a win. Why? Because I opened a long position a little bit lower, predicting that this one is going to be a smaller green candle, and then the next one is going to be a smaller green candle. But here I have more chances. See, the market helped me. I'm not lucky. That's not luck. That's I predicted this would be happening, and that's why I opened here. All right. As usual, guys, I'm using these dots here are called parabolic SAR. You can look it up. Yeah, as predicted. Amazing, beautiful. Yeah. So let's. All right. This one is going down. Yep. Yeah, as predicted, this one is going down. So by clicking down, predicting that the market is going down, and here, if I think that the market is going up, I would open a long position, or I would click up. And yeah, if my prediction is right, I'm making this amount of money. You can use on other expiration time, like 5 minutes. The strategy can work up to 10 minutes. Over 10 minutes, the advanced level is only applied to your tradings. So the advanced level of my strategy is applied to tradings if you are trading with over, yeah, another win. So the advanced level is applied if you are trading on over 1 hour or 10 minutes trading expiration time. But here in this case, great, right? So I'm predicting, I guess this one is going to be the last trade. Yeah, I don't know about the colors from the next candles, so I will stick with this one. Yeah, I will stick with this one. I will keep it here. So how much we made, I don't know how much at the beginning of this trade we had. I guess 85,000, and I had chance to make all these candles, to make profit from all these candles, and I open trades here, and and this one is the last one, right? So I guess that's it. Yeah. See you later, guys.